Get your gear together, get out and get registered for the Scott 24 hour. Hi, I'm Mitch from Pushys Fyshwick. I'm here to show you how to change a tube on the side of the track. First thing to do is to get your bike into last gear on the cassette. Just change through on your shifter. Settle through. Once it's in the final gear, opening your quick release. And the wheel will fall out. Once you've got your wheel off the bike, you get out your tyre levers, spare tube and pump. Start off with the 2 tyre levers. Put both in fairly close to each other. Grab one from inside through the spokes, holding it together, and push with the other tyre lever and work the tyre off the rim. Once you've got the old tube out, it's a good idea to run your fingers through and just inspect the tyre on the outside while running your fingers through the inside to make sure that there's nothing sticking in there or big holes that aren't gonna cause you issues. It's a really good idea to put a few pumps of air into the new tube just so you can't pinch the tube as you're putting the tyre back on the rim. Just enough to give the tube a bit of shape. And just gently fold in the tube onto the inside of the tyre, just with your fingers, nice and easy. It's best to start at where the valve is, popping the tyre back on, that way, because that's where it's fairly bulked up and you can't cause any damage to the tube. And just fold it in to start off with your fingers. And once you get around, put the tyre lever in and just rolling it around, rolling the tyre back on. And then you get to start pumping. If you're using a CO2 canister, it'll go nice and fast and you won't have to put in the hard work. Once you've got your tyre inflated, we're just holding your bike up with one hand, holding the wheel with the other. Just put it roughly in place into the back of the bike, drop the lower chain over and pull your derailleur back to push the chain onto the top, onto the smallest cog. Should pretty much put the wheel into place, and then all you have to do is line up the brake rotor into the caliper, and then just doing up your quick release. You want to make sure it's nice and tight, especially if it's front or back wheel. You don't want them falling out. Run through the gears, make sure it's all running smooth, and you're off on your way again. I'm Mitch McKinley from Pushys Fyshwick. Hope you have a wonderful time racing the Scott 24. Get your gear together, get out and get registered for the Scott 24 hour.